200 tread where it was meant to be.
And then
okay, we're running, and
yep. So
okay,
you just put it in drive and you're ready to go.
How?
So press the brake. Yep, just like that. It's in manual mode right now.
Do you run manual?
Yeah, I do. If you would like, we can change you know, throttle sensitivity or steering weight. You know, I have it. I like it on comfort. I feel like I get the most feeling that way. And you know, feel free to make yourself comfortable.
I usually like comfort.
Okay.
I like the light. I like light settings.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we were going first.
Oh, yeah, we're good.
Hey, good morning. Manual. Got temperature, right?
Yep, on your display readout. Takes a little bit to warm up the tires. That's the newer model.
Oh, okay.
to make it very linear. Yeah. And yeah, like you noticed that just before the crest of 9, when the weather's really cold on this track, I have to be a little careful there. Just before the crest.
Brakes will be a little warm. Thank you very much. Wow,
well, thank you. Yeah, yesterday.
Benefit from a stickier tire.
Yeah, absolutely.
Or maybe install all-wheel drive. You've got so much power. Torque.
Yeah, I'm very judicious about rolling on.
Yes, yes. Okay, here we
Thank
go.
you so much.
Okay, we good?
Yeah, we should be.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks,
Good
Randy.
riding with
Really
you.
appreciate it.
I'd be interested in that video if
Yeah,
you can
absolutely.
find a way to share it.
Yeah.
Thank you. Woo, that's a runner right there.